Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Libra for the month of August. This reading includes your all the 4 weeks of August. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright Librans, this is your energy this week, that is the Two of Wands reversed. Well, I think whatever you are doing right now is just for the present. You are not making long-term plans, you're not making long-term goals. You are uh, you know the planning, whatever you are doing is not giving you the good results, and whatever you are planning and whatever you are thinking right now is for your own self, for your own good. You're not taking the other people or your family members consideration into it. So let's see. Alright, the cards of your first week are Ace of Swords, the Four of Pentacles reversed, and Queen of Cups reversed. Well, this is showing me that you will have a lot of new ideas. There will be, you will be very clear about the ideas that you have. This will actually have a different this will actually will even make a different attitude of yours, that you will be very blunt to people. You can also, whatever you will be telling them definitely is going to be the truth, and you will be honest. But the thing is that the people might feel that you are being little rude to them, so you just have to be careful of the words that you will be using. And the same thing as your energy is, the same thing will happen in the first week also. You will be thinking more about yourself, you will be concentrating on your emotions, you will be because I believe that you have done a lot for people, and you have just you have faced a lot of losses in the past. So now you believe that now it's time for me to take charge and start thinking about my own self. So before moving towards the rest of the weeks, I will request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, the second week says the Hierophant reversed, Death reversed, and Page of Swords reversed. This is showing me that I don't know why, Librans, why the moment something happens in your life or you feel sad about it, you are just not able to move forward. That makes you more childlike, and the pain that you have, the sadness which is there, it still remains somewhere deep down. You are not able to take the right decisions, you're not able to solve your problems properly. Whenever something happens with you, rather you go into a totally childish and a totally opposite way. You cannot deal with the problems very very maturely, and that is what is going to happen in the second week also. So I think if some, even it is a small problem, you make it a very big one with your attitude. So try and change your attitude here. So the cards for your third week are the Eight of Swords reversed, Five of Wands, and Knight of Swords reversed. This is showing me that whatever doubt you have, whatever sadness is there, or whatever pain is there, is because of people who are very very close to you. You are right, you take the right decisions, you are true to them, you are honest, but somehow you don't get the same thing back. Rather you get people backstab you. So because of that, there is some kind of a conflict either with the people or some kind of an inner conflict which is making you feel very sad. You feel the life is very unstable, you are alone and nobody is there to help you. You feel sick and tired of helping people. It's very difficult for you to trust them. So I think because of this particular reason, you have now build up this kind of energy when you've started thinking about your own self, and you don't care what people do, you don't care what people say, but you just take decisions for your own self. But unfortunately, Librans, you're not taking the right decision. It is like you're going towards self destruction more, rather than rather than being in a constructive mode. So you really need to take care of your decisions now. Moving towards the fourth week, it is the Four of Cups, Five of Swords, and Judgment reversed. So the same thing, here, fourth week you have to be a little vigilant, because you might get a very, very good opportunity. So come out of the sadness, come out of this thing that whatever people has done to you, why always bad happens to me, why me. No, please come out of it and start taking charge of your life. Start walking towards a constructive path rather than a destructive one, because you are just hampering yourself, you're just hampering your own life. Because if you will not do that, if you will not grab the opportunity, then again you are going to go through the same thing, and you will feel that bad has happened with you. You had wished for something good, but that did not come true. And you might feel that people backstab you, you trusted someone, and that person has taken everything from you. So that kind of feeling can be there in the fourth week also, if you will not take the charge of your life in a positive way. Think of something good, how you can do good, how your life is going to be good, rather than thinking that how you don't have to think that if I'll do bad to myself, then people will realize what bad they have done to me. They might empathize with me, they might sympathize with me, or they might see that then they will realize that they have done something wrong. And that is not going to happen, Librans. You really need to change your attitude here. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. We also do the daily readings. That is, if to see the daily readings, you can you can follow our Instagram and Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. We also do the personalized reading. Everything is given in the description box, so you can go and check that out. All right, all the best, Librans.